All right, so on page 3758, what could I help you with? Page 758. What can I help you with? What problems do you see? What do you think? Number 6? Okay. Problem number 6. This one? You got it. All right, it's all ready to start getting y by itself. So what should I do first? I have a positive 7. What's the opposite of that? There you go. So that's going to give me 4y equals 39 minus 7. 39 minus 7. 32. Thank you. Divide each side by 4. So y is equal to 8. That okay? What other problems did you see that I can help you with? How much? 5? Number 5 you said? Cool, we can see it again. 5, we have 13 plus 3p plus 10 equals 23 plus 3p. All right, these are like terms, so we can combine them together. So I get 3p plus 23 equals 23 plus 3p. Being right now everything is equal to each other, I know it's going to be infinite solutions, but some of you might say, well, let's subtract 23 from both sides. And those cancel, so I get 3p equals 3p. Let's subtract 3p from both sides. So I get 0 equals 0. That's true. That gives you the infinite solution. Okay? So any part of that with work you can do. You will see on the test. When's our test? Thursday. Thursday. So there'll be one no solution and one infinite solution. Don't be the kid that writes no solution all the way down saying, sweet, I got one right. Doesn't show me anything. What else we got? What else? Find something else that I can help you with. How much? 10? You got it. Okay. So number 10, we have 2 or 3 different b values. I have 2 fractions in there. I could get rid of the fractions first, or I could start moving things around. So let's just stay consistent. I'm going to multiply everything by 2 because that's my denominator. Those cancel, so I get 3b plus 12. Those cancels, that gives me 1b. Thank you much. That's 30 plus 4b. So if I add those together, I get 4b plus 12 equals 30 plus 4b. So things you might want to do when you're starting to solve this, maybe subtract 4b from both sides. So you get 12 is equal to 30. What does that mean? No solution. So n/s, no solution. A 0 with a line slash through it. Something like that. Anything else you'd like me to go over or help you with? 13. Okay. Thank you for asking about number 13. The problem with number 13, I can distribute the 1/2 over the right side, and it works out real nicely. But if I distribute the 3/2 over the left side, I'm left with a fraction. So right now I have two terms. I have it on each side. And if I choose to, I can multiply this by 2 over 1 and this by 2 over 1. Because what I do to one side of the equation, I do to the other. That cancels. So that gives me 3d plus 12. This cancels this. That gives me 1 times 2d minus 6. Distribute over the parentheses. So I get 3d plus 36. Distribute here. 2d minus 6. Subtract 2d from both sides. So d plus 36 equals negative 6. Subtract 36 from both sides. Problem's done. Okay. Anything else? We're good? 20? Ooh, okay. Okay, let me read it out loud and then we'll go through it. 4 times the number plus 6 times the number is equal to 8 times the number plus 34. What is the number? Okay, let's go slow. What's 4 times the number? How do I write 4 times the number? 4x. Good so far? Plus, what does plus mean? Add. Plus 6 times the number. How do I write 6 times the number? Is equal to, oh, that means equal. 8 times the number. How do I write 8 times the number? 8x plus 34. Okay. Ooh. This one's kind of goofy, but let's see. That should be 10x equals 8x plus 34. Start solving it. Subtract 8x from both sides. Let's cancel 2x equals 34. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 17. That's kind of a wordy, jumble your head around type of question, but I think you can do it pretty easily. Huh. All right, my friends. This is what I have planned, and I want to show you a few locations to make sure we feel comfortable with this. Okay. Page 59 and 60 and 61. Oh, calm down. I will check on Thursday. Okay. That's test day. Now, the reason I'm doing that is this is a practice test. Okay? So, you have the opportunity to start working on the practice test today, and we have some time tomorrow. Now, hang on. I'm also going to give you the take-home test. Okay? The take-home test, you also have the opportunity to work out. Now, I am not going to have the take-home test due. But what's the benefit of the take-home test? Yeah, so one, it's very similar to the actual test. Now, what is that? Yeah. That's supposed to be an S. All right, so similar to the actual test, meaning between today and tomorrow, we can also work on that. And then the last 10 minutes on Thursday, you can use it on the test. Okay? So basically, what time we out of here on Thursday? It's third period. Is that 11?
It's normal schedule, so I think it's
11. So at 10:50 on Thursday. What did I do?
No, that's not you.
What happened?
I'm mad at you.
Oh.
Book situation turns her out again.
Okay. You got a phone still, right? Did you have a book originally? So when they were in, you chose not to get one? They've been in, so they came in 2 weeks ago.
I'm trying to fill it out. I didn't think Apple did. No,
Okay, it's called currency, cash, right? Huh. So, do you know what to work on? All right, so